Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. I'm back today sharing another subscription box video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes. I love to share Temu hauls. I love to share shopping hauls. I throw in a couple of surprises here and there. Anyway, I appreciate you being here. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, make a comment. Those things do help as I'm just growing my channel. But thank you for that. And let's get to this. Now this is another one of the videos I had already filmed. So I've kind of opened some of the things that are in here, but I hope you enjoy what I have to share with the Allure box. So let's go. Alright, so the first thing, and I want to say this box has great value. I do pay, well, the boxes are $25 a month, although on your first box you can get $5 off. And I have a code below that you can look at, that you can go to get your first box. I'm going to tell you right now, Allure has kind of gone to the top of my beauty boxes. They're killing it with value. They don't give a lot of makeup. Usually you just have maybe one, sometimes two makeup products, but most of it's skincare. So, which I'm okay with because I get a lot of makeup in other boxes. So it's just a great box. I paid $60 for 3 months, and I do kind of a 3 month at a time. They also give you a bonus in your first box, which is usually a great value, full size bonus of some kind. So those are just all the things why Allure's great. So go ahead and give it a try. Anyway, I mean, the first product here more than pays for my box. And it's a product that I definitely will use and have wanted to try. And that is the Ole Henriksen. It's a bright eye cream. And it's valued at $44 and it's only half an ounce. So eye creams go really far. You don't need a lot to use a lot. This is packed right here. It's kind of a yellow cream. Anyway, doesn't have much of a smell. Little bit chemically smell or whatever, but it's anyway. So that's that. And so that was my first item. The second item, well, anyway, I'm going to read this real quick. It says, why you'll love it. Bye-bye, dark circles. No matter how little sleep you got the night before, you can count on looking well-rested the next morning with the help of this Reader's Choice award-winning eye cream. So it's that says a lot when it's a Reader's Choice. Packed with vitamin C, the peach tinted formula blends easily into skin to hydrate, brighten, which means I can skimp on concealer from time to time, says one of the reviews. So anyway, just a little bit goes a long way on that. The second item I'm going to show you is, this is, let's see. It's, I don't know if I can pronounce it. It's Sachawan Hair After the Sun. And it is a full-size product. I love hair products. Summer, you can always use extra hair products. So this one is valued at, let's see if I can, it's valued at $37 for 100 milliliters. There it is, right there. Let me see if it, I don't know if it's sealed. It is sealed. I was going to see what it smelled like. But this says why you'll love it. It's beach season, and this Reparative treatment is on standby to make sure signs of long days spent outdoors don't linger in your hair. The creamy formula is made with hydrators like glycerin and castor oil to help replenish the moisture that's seemingly stripped away by the heat of the sun. So you can leave it you can use it as a leave-in or apply it like a mask and rinse it away after about 20 minutes. So there's that. So that's a second item, and I'm excited about it. The next item I'm going to pull out is the makeup item in here, and it is it's a lippy, and it's very pigmented. It's called Pancake Red Velvet Cake Batter. I'm not sure this is really a summer item, and I did try it on in the last video. The last time I filmed it, I put it on, but I'm not going to today because I'm filming more videos after this, and I don't really want. It was pretty red, which I don't know, maybe I can get away with it, but that's what it looks like. And it wasn't bad. I think I might wear it. I might try this maybe more in the winter, but anyway. So there's that. That was valued at let's see here. That is valued at $20, and it's 4 milliliter full size. Okay, the next thing I'm going to share with you is by Academia, and let's see, I don't have this on here. This is the Oasis Barrier Booster Serum. So it is a serum. It's $68 for 30 milliliters, and this one is a sample size. I'm not sure how much is in it. It doesn't really say, but I know it's not definitely not 30 milliliters. So there's that. It's got the tip here that you just press. Let's see. It's a clear serum. Feels good going on. It has, actually I think I'm smelling that cake batter. That pound cake red lippy smells like pound cake. It's actually it's a pleasant smell. Sweet. Anyway, so that's kind of fun to discover that. Like I said, this was $68 for a full size, so this is just a fraction of that. The next thing is another sample size, and this is Naturopathica, and there's what it looks like right there. This is a calendula cream, whatever that is. I think it's like a moisturizer. Okay, so sample size of that. That is valued at, again, these are, these are pretty amazing. Does it say? Is this $10 or $70? I don't know. And that's a big difference, right? Not sure. But it's small, so it's not going to be worth a whole lot. Okay, so the last thing in the box, there's 6 items in the box, and the last thing is Bioma, let's see, Bioma Creamy Jelly Cleanser. Okay, this is a sample size also. It's valued at $11.99 for 6 ounces. I believe this is like 1 ounce. So, a couple dollars maybe. But you can always use the sample size cleanser. I have heard of this brand. So anyway, that's that. So we got the cleanser. We got the little moisturizer sample. We've got the lippy. That's red, bright red. We got another serum. I can't remember what I said about this. We got the Saxuan hair product. And last but definitely not least, this is probably the, what do you call it? The main exciting item of the box, and that is the Ole Hendrickson eye cream. So 6 products, there you go. I'm very happy with those. And so that's Allure. It's probably not my favorite box I've gotten lately, but I don't know. It's got good value and good items. But I will speak very highly of Allure. So go ahead and check them out. You can use the code in my description below to get a discount. And anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.